Hi, I'm Elaine Froese, Farm Family Coach, coming to you from my farm near Boissevain, Manitoba. Many of you don't know how to drive this huge semi behind me, and many of us in farm families tend to get stuck not even getting into first gear, which I call the neutral zone. For those of you familiar with stick shifts, you know that staying in neutral is not a happy place, especially when you're trying to get somewhere. That's my approach to the method that I coined, discuss the undiscussable. There's a bull in the middle of every farm family of your audience. Many things that need to be talked about that the family is avoiding. And in order to decrease stress and decrease anxiety and overwhelm, you need to grab the bull by the horns and start talking about tough issues. It's not hard, but it does take intentionality. And I'm here to provide your audience with tools like coming from curiosity, spending time to perk and ponder and process, identifying your communication style, understanding why age is important in defining the tasks and things that need to be talked about. I'm all in favor of assumption-free living, and this Discuss the Undiscussable approach, it will set and transform families free and help them get that transition truck moving. So join me, Elaine Froese, for Discuss the Undiscussable with a proven approach that I've been using for over 17 years to help farm families deal with all the bull in the middle of the room that they're not talking about. Let's talk, let's act, and let's get this truck moving and out of first gear. See you soon.